I'm Dan Mandis with a WOWO.com exclusive. We are here at IPFW where Congressman Mark Souder and about 1,600 people are getting ready to sound off on health care reform.
I'm impressed that he's having this town hall, but where is Senator Lugar? Where is Senator Bayh? They should all be having town hall meetings almost every week, and that's disappointing. And I hope Senator Lugar and Senator Bayh are listening, because there are a lot of us who are extremely disappointed with them.
Our representatives in general of the nation aren't really listening too well. They are at least not to the general public.
I think you put it in a nutshell, and I know that this is kind of an odd question because you're not in favor of the government takeover of healthcare, period. But what is it most about it that frightens you, that you're most against as a conservative Republican?
I've never seen this kind of attack on profit. And that people don't realize the tussle we're having right now is really between capitalism and socialism.
My mom was in an accident and our family was bankrupted. We had no health insurance. We had filed for bankruptcy. However, I am adamantly opposed to the government coming in and taking over health care and the health insurance industry.
Government cannot even pay for the programs it has already started. Why in the world, in the middle of a horrible recession and record deficits, would anyone want to propose a new, massive, trillion-dollar government health plan?
But I think if our founding fathers were alive today, they would be dumbfounded. I'm trying to help my nephew learn about money. I teach him about responsibility and integrity. And what is with you people? You fight like third graders. You guys give AIG millions, billions, General Motors, Wall Street, banks. If they can't sell a product, they should go out of business.
I thought it went really well. It was orderly in the sense there was cheering and some barbs back and forth, but everybody was able to speak without being shouted down, which is step number one of a successful meeting. I was pleased, I don't know how surprised I was, but I was pleased that in addition to the kind of ideological debate, we had some people who brought up real personal things, even knowing that there would be people who would disagree with them.
News Talk 1190 WOWO, the biggest names in talk. Beck.
Those with eyes will not see, those with ears will not hear. For the love of God, man, open your eyes.
Rush.
I am not going to sit here and sit idly by while a bunch of fascist socialists in this country try to smear and impugn mainstream conservatism rooted in the founding of this country.
Sean Hannity.
We're fighting for the America that we grew up in. We didn't grow up in a cradle to the grave and a womb to the tomb in a socialist Marxist utopia, did we? We grew up in a land of freedom that created wealth and prosperity for all people.
The talk show host you want to hear. The news you need to know. News Talk 1190 WOWO.